Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Students, let's start revision. For today, my first question is find the quotient, or sometime you will observe divide. Both are the same thing. Divide 2 decimal 4 divided by 4. Now, students, to reply this, raise your hands. Students who want to reply this, raise your hands. Yes, Mehak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mehak. Tell me, how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we will remove the point.
Yes. After removing point, what will you write here?
Ma'am, we will write here 24 divided by 4.
24 divided by 4.
Over 4. Divide 24 over by 4.
No. Whenever you will remove this point, so after removing this point, we have one decimal place. So you will write here
Yes,
24 divided by 10.
over 10.
24 divided by 10, and 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now, what about next?
Ma'am, now multiply. We will write multiply.
And after
then we will write,
multiplication, which side will reciprocal?
ma'am, 1 over 4.
Reciprocal.
Right side.
Very good, well done. Very good. Now students, listen. Here we have one decimal place. After decimal, you have only one decimal place. So when you will remove this decimal, you will write here 10. 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now change this division to multiplication, and when you will change this division to multiplication, this right hand side fraction reciprocal. So this is 1 by 4. Next is your wish. Either solve the sum by cancellation or by direct division. There will be no hard and fast rule. Solve the sum according to your wish. Now, listen to me very carefully. Okay, that I am going to explain. Look here. Here, cancellation is possible. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Fine. So, 6 by 10. 6 by 10. Further cancellation is also possible in the table of 2. But I suggest you to avoid the cancellation if you will observe 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 in the denominator. Why? Here, shortcut method is applicable. This is the reason. You can do this by cancellation also, 3 by 5. This is cancellation in the table of 5. But after this, you have to divide. So, my suggestion is to, whenever you will observe 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 in the denominator, then avoid further cutting and apply the shortcut method. So here you will get 0.6. और अगर आपने इसकी कटिंग कर दी 3 by 5, ओके, तो फिर आपको इसकी डिवीजन यहाँ पे शो करनी पड़ेगी लाइक दिस. फाइन. तो बेटर है whenever you will observe 10 in the denominator, whenever you will observe 100 in the denominator, whenever you will observe 1000 in the denominator, avoid cancellation. Avoid करो cancellation को और go for the shortcut method. Okay. Now my next question is, second question. Next is 14.4 divided by 12. Fine. Smriti, tell me beta, how can we solve this sum?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me.
Ma'am, first we will remove the decimal and write 10 in the denominator.
So 144 divided by 10. What about this side? Beta, speak
1.
quickly.
12.
What about this?
Ma'am, multiply by 1 by 12.
Yes, this is multiplied by 1 by 12. What is the next step?
Ma'am, cuttings.
On which table?
Ma'am, 12.
12. Tell me, after cancellation you will get what? Remaining students, write down in the chat box. I am waiting for your responses. Cutting means division ना. Cutting भी तो divide ही होता है. करो इसको divide. देखो ये हो रहा है divide 12 से. So 144 by 12. 12 ones are 12.
Ma'am, 12 आएगा.
Yes. So after cancellation, look here, you will get 12. So 12 ones are 12. So here 12. So 12 by 10. Samriti, further cancellation is possible?
1.2 answer.
Tell me
Ma'am,
further.
yes, but we will. Ma'am, yes, there is cancellation, but we will not cancel. Ma'am, we will write 1/2.
Yes, further
Ma'am,
cancellation.
1.2.
Yes, further cancellation is possible in the table of 2. पर मैंने आपको previous सब में ही समझाया है. Avoid cancellation as 10 in the denominator. We can easily apply the shortcut method. So here you will get 1.2. Very good, Samriti.
Thank you, ma'am.
My next sum is, come to the third question. Third sum is 0.00042 divided by 420. Fine. Bhavya, tell me how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we will remove the decimal and in the denominator we will write 10,000. Ma'am, no, 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
So here in the numerator, what will I write?
00042.
00042. Fine. 00042. And in the denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Bhavya, tell me, yesterday I have explained, is there any need to write these zeros?
Ma'am, no.
Then why are you saying the ma'am 0, 0, 0? ये कल भी मैंने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया था. No need to write these zeros, left hand side 0. So 42. So as
Divided by.
yes, on the left hand side, whenever you are writing 0, 0, 0, 42, these zeros have no value. Fine. So no need to write zeros on the left hand side. Zeros no need to write. So this
Then
is
divided by.
multiplication by 1 by 420.
Ma'am, 42 is equal to 1. Ma'am, 420 is equal to 10.
Very good. Now do the cancellation. This is 1 and this is 10. So we will get 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about next?
Ma'am,
Students, write down your responses in the chat box. I am waiting for your responses. Yes. What is the
Ma'am,
result?
1.
Tell me. In the denominator, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros in the denominator. So in the numerator, after how
Ma'am,
many?
we have to.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do.
नहीं बेटा भव्या,
Wait
यहाँ
a
पे
minute.
आएगा क्या? क्या लिखूं
Ma'am,
मैं यहाँ
first
पे?
we have to do.
We have to do what we will do.
मैम आपकी वीडियो नहीं शो हो रही.
बेटा कैसे नहीं मेरी वीडियो शो हो रही? मुझे आपकी
Ma'am, we
वीडियो
have
क्लियर
to
शो
do.
हो रही है.
Ma'am, the answer was मैम आपने हम एंड में 10 के बाद डेसिमल लगाते हैं 1 फिर
भव्या, your voice is not coming to me. Speak loudly. और
मैम
अगर नहीं बेटा आता तो say मैम don't know. Don't waste time. Yes Natansh.
मैम आंसर is 0.000001.
Very good. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here first of all write 1 1 2 3 4 5 and here counting में 1 2 3 4 5 6 put the decimal. Very good Natansh. So like this we will solve. In the denominator we have 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Fine. So this is 1 और हमें 6 की रिक्वायरमेंट है. So we will put 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Very good Natansh. Bhavya, on your video. Don't off your video. Very good Natansh. Natansh, my next question is, divide 596.994 divided by 47. Natansh, tell me how can we solve this sum? Natansh, unmute yourself.
First we will write 596,994 by 1000.
So 596,994 divided by 1000. And what about this?
Multiply by 1 by 47.
Very good. This is multiplied by 1 by 47. What about next?
Ma'am, we will cancel.
Now tell me the cancellation. On which table you want to cancel it? By 47? You want to cancel it?
Yes.
Let's check. Okay. Now start dividing this number by 47. 596,994 47. So students, start your division and you have to show this division. Cancellation means division. Cancellation हमारी division से ही होती है. Okay. So you have to show this division in pair. Cancellation क्योंकि this number is too big और मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी स्टूडेंट इसको orally कट कर देगा. Okay. So you have to show the division in pair. So first of all, tell me Natansh, 47 ones are here, 47 twos are here. 47 ones are 47. Okay. So after subtraction you will get 12. So tell me next.
Ma'am, 2s are.
2s are 47 2s are 94. Let's check next. 47 3s are 141. Okay. So this is not possible as this number is bigger number. So 47 2s are 94. After cancellation we will get 32 and here 9. What about next?
Ma'am, 8s are.
47 8s are. Let's check. 47 8s are. This is 56. 376. No. 47 8s are not possible.
And 47 multiplied by 7.
Next is 47 sevens are, let's check. 47 sevens are 329. Complete division. So 47 sevens are 329. Okay. Complete 329. So here after subtraction you will get 0. So no need to write 0. 9 will here. Now tell me, Natansh, 9 comes down and division is possible?
No.
9 comes down. Students, observe very carefully. In each and every step only one digit will come down. सिर्फ एक डिजिट नीचे आएगा. ठीक है. Now division is not possible as 9 is smaller than 47. So at this stage we will multiply by 0. So here you will multiply by 0 and here you will write 0. 47 zeros are 0. Fine. This is next step. 4 will comes down. Now 47 twos are 94. Complete division. I am writing here. So 94 divided by 94. So 12702. 12702. Fine. So after cancellation you will get this. 12702 divided by 40. Sorry.
By 1000.
So this is 12702. Now 12702 divided by 1000. So this is 123, 123. So 12.702 is the result. At this step, you will apply the shortcut method. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. Like this. Okay. Very good, Natansh. Well done. Students, note down this sum in your rough notebooks quickly. Yes. After this, we will start next sum. Bhavya, your video is again off. So let's start with next question. My next question is for students. Raise your hand if you want to do next question. Yes. Bhavya, your video is off. और according to my observation, जब मैंने आपको unmute किया था, you are eating something, ना? Only 5 students. Rest of the students don't want to do anything. Pavni, unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी पावनी, मैं कब से बोल रही हूँ. If you want to solve the sum, you don't want to solve the sum.
Yes.
You don't want to solve the sum. Yes, it means yes, you don't want to solve the sum, na?
Ma'am, no, I want to solve the sum.
So now tell me, how can we solve this sum? My next sum is 207 decimal 72 divided by 20? Tell me.
Ma'am, first we will write 207 72
Yes.
by 100
Yes. Then what about this?
divided by 20 by 1.
What is the next step?
Ma'am, next step is 20772
Yes.
by 100
Yes.
into 1 by 20.
Into 1 by 20. What is the next step?
Ma'am, cutting with on the table of 2.
Yes. Let's start cancellation by 2. You want to do the cancellation in the table of 2 now? So this is 20772 divided by 2. Students, observe very carefully as Pavni wants to do the cancellation in the table of 2. So you have to show the division here. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, this is 0. One digit comes down and division is not
Apply
possible.
0.
So what we will do?
Apply a 0.
Multiplication with 0 and you will write 0 here. Yes. And this is 7. What about this?
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6. This is 1.
6.
This is 7. So 2 8s are 16. This is 2 6 are 12.
6.
Yes. So here now do the cancellation. This is 10 and this is 10386. Now Pavni, further cancellation is possible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will do the cancellation.
Ma'am, with the table of 2.
We will continue the
Yes,
cancellation.
ma'am.
Tell me, students, write down your responses in the chat box.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no, because we are getting 1 with zeros.
Yes. Cancellation. Here, all the students listen to me very carefully. Further cancellation is possible. Definitely possible. But my suggestion is to avoid the cancellation, as in the denominator we have 1 with 2 zeros and 1 with single zero. So you will get 10386 divided by multiplication of these two numbers will give you 1000.
1000.
Yes. When you multiply 100 with 10, 100 with 10, it will give you 1000. And count 1, 2, 3, 3 digits in the denominator. It means here. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Put decimal here and this is 10. So like this we will solve the sum. Here cancellation by 2 means division by 2. So you have to show the division in fair, not in rough. ऐसे नहीं बोला मैम कैंसलेशन की हमने, तो इसलिए हमने कट कर दिया डायरेक्ट. कैंसलेशन का मीनिंग भी डिवीजन ही होता है और इतनी बड़ी कैलकुलेशन कोई अपने माइंड से ऑरली नहीं करेगा, लाइक दिस ही करेगा बच्चा वो. तो यू हैव टू शो दिस डिवीजन इन फेयर. हाँ, अगर वेरी स्मॉल है जैसे लाइक दिस जो हमने फर्स्ट किया था 24 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 4, दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल और ये ऑरली हो जाएगी. 4 ones are 4 6 are, but this cancellation orally is not possible, so you have to show the division in fair, then you will get full marks, otherwise not. Okay, now come to the next question. Rest of the students don't want to solve any question. Ojasvi, Nitika Sood, Nishche, Muskan Sehgal, Myra Sharma. Any student? Rest of the students don't want to solve any sum? Yes, Kritigya?
Morning, ma'am.
Kritigya, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now tell me, Kritigya, how can we solve this sum? 1.3325 divided by 2.5.
Excuse me, ma'am. First of all, we will remove the decimal and we will write the number 13325
Yes, continue,
over
continue. Yes.
over 1000.
1000.
Ma'am, over 10,000.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. What about the right hand side?
Ma'am, divided by 25 over 10.
25 over 10. What about next? Very good. What about next?
Ma'am, then we will do the cancellation.
No, we will not do the cancellation. In the first step, हमने क्या किया? We just remove the point from both the sides. Because in this question we have point in left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Both the numbers with decimal. So here you removed the decimal of left hand side. You removed the decimal of right hand side. But this is still division. How can we do the cancellation with this division sign? Now we will change this division to multiplication. Students, listen to me very carefully. With division symbol, cancellation is not possible. So, first step में आपने decimal remove किया दोनों side से, from the left hand side as well as from the right hand side. Now change this division to multiplication. So this is 13325 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 10 over 25. Pratigya, now you will do the cancellation at this step because here we have division sign and with division sign cancellation is not possible. Fine. Now tell me, any cancellation is possible here, Pratigya?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Ma'am, with the table of 5.
With the table of 5. You want to cut what with the table of 5? Tell me. Students, write them in the chat box. Now, all the students, listen to me very carefully. Fine. Here, 0, 4 zeros. First of all, 0, 0, cut. Okay? Here, direct division by 25 is possible. But if you want to cancel slowly, then you can. अगर आपने 5 से पहले cancellation करनी है तो आप कर सकते हो. Okay? Like this. Look here. So this is 13325 upon 5. I am again repeating. First of all, cut this 0 with this 0. After that, direct cancellation on 25 is possible, but this is not hard and fast rule. Direct 25 से cancellation करनी है 25 से कर लो, पर slowly करनी है 5 के टेबल से वैसे कर लो. Okay? So look here. 5 2s are 10.
2665.
630. Again 630. So fine. So very good, Pratigya. 2665. So here cut 5 5s are 25, and here 2 6 6 5. Now again do the cancellation by 5. Again do the cancellation by 5 of 2665. 2665 divided by 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 50, 5 3s are 15. Okay, again 5 1s are 5, and here 5 3 3. So this is 533 divided by 1000. What about next Pratikya?
Ma'am, we will write the decimal.
Yes.
0.533.
Yes, 0.533. Okay, so like this we will solve this sum. First of all, ये देखो आपको यहाँ जीरो दिख रहा है, यहाँ भी जीरोस है, तो पहले जीरो को जीरो से कट करो, रिड्यूस करो उसको, ठीक है? आफ्टर that your wish, either do the direct cancellation by 25 or cancellation by 5 slowly. Your wish, नहीं कैंसलेशन करनी वो भी मत करो, डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर दो इसको. कैसे? लाइक दिस. So we have so many methods like this. 1 3 3 2 5 divided by 25,000 like this. So this is your wish. जैसे मर्जी करो. कैंसलेशन करनी है कैंसलेशन करो, नहीं कैंसलेशन करनी डायरेक्ट डिवाइड करना है डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर दो, जैसे आपको कन्वीनियंट लगेगा. कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है भी मैंने कैंसलेशन कराई है तो आपने भी बेटा कैंसलेशन से ही करना है. कैंसलेशन भी डिवाइड ही है. ओके, कैंसलेशन इज अ डिवीजन. कैंसलेशन इज नॉट समथिंग स्पेशल. कैंसलेशन को भी हम डिवाइड ही बोलते हैं. फाइन, वेरी गुड प्रतिज्ञा.
Thank you, ma'am.
हरमन, रेज योर हैंड बेटा. Harman, raise your hand. Yes, Harman.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. आप क्या बोल रहे हो, मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
मैम जैसे 10 30 1000 इनसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैम आप समझा सकते हो वापस डेसिमल्स की?
हाँ यस श्योर. कोई भी क्वेश्चन बोलो, चलो बताओ मुझे क्वेश्चन.
मैम प्लीज वेट. मैम
यस
मैम लाइक 2.103 multiplied by 1000.
yes. Now students listen to me very carefully. पहले तो ये डेसिमल को भूल जाओ भी, ये डेसिमल है ही नहीं. ओके, सिंपल है. जैसे डिवीजन नहीं हम करते शॉर्टकट से, वैसे ही करेंगे हम इसको. नाउ राइट डाउन. दिस इज 2, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 0, दिस इज 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. ओके, like this. Now check decimal after how many digits here? 1 2 3. So 1 2
Yes, ma'am.
3. So put decimal here. So the result is 2103, because after decimal all zeros have no value. That's it. This is the shortcut method.
मैम one more.
Yes.
मैम one more.
Yes.
मैम मैम 49.6 multiplied by 14.
Multiplied by
14.
हाँ तो इसको भी नाउ स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डेसिमल को छोड़ दो अभी. ओके नाउ स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 496 multiplied by 14. 4 6 are 24. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19. 1 6s are 6. 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. So here 4. So this is 6944. Okay, and Harman, you have to show this multiplication in pair. अब डेसिमल लगा दो.
Okay, ma'am.
किसके बाद डेसिमल है? 1 के बाद, यहाँ 1 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल. दैट्स इट. मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो
ma'am.
वेरी इजी. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पहले डेसिमल को माइंड से अभी निकाल दो, अपनी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो सिंपल. ओके, उसके बाद काउंटिंग करो. लेट अस सपोज यहाँ पे भी डेसिमल होता. लेट अस सपोज. ओके, तो फिर डेसिमल में कितने आ गए डिजिट्स? 2. एक यहाँ से, एंड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट योर काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. ऐसे नहीं है भी इधर से करोगे 1 2 3 और इधर 1 2 3 के बाद डेसिमल पुट करोगे. नो, मैंने क्या बोला है? इन द डेसिमल सिस्टम ऑलवेज start counting from the right hand side. Now right hand side, after this is digit, here you have decimal, one decimal place. Here one decimal place. So 1 plus 1 2 decimal places. So here after 2 decimal places you will put decimal. Like this you will solve the sum. Fine? Okay. Count the decimal places. Don't count left hand side of decimal. In each and every sum count, check right hand side, because we have decimal places on the right hand side, not on the left hand side of decimal. Yes, Samriti?
मैम मेरे को 13 चैप्टर में मैम डाउट था.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम जो 13 ए की 7th क्वेश्चन है मैम, उसमें मुझे डाउट है.
13A 7th क्वेश्चन. ओके. और बेटा अगर आज क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट होगी तो आई विल सॉल्व योर डाउट टुमारो डेफिनेटली. 7th क्वेश्चन.
मैम यस.
टेल मी.
Ma'am, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio.
I know. A question with me. Tell me what is your doubt?
मैम मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा मैम क्वेश्चन
As
सॉल्व
the
करना.
ratios are given in this question, beta, 2:3:4. So in the first step, ये रेशियो वाले सम्स करने का मेथड है जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. ये मेथड तभी अप्लाई होता है जब ये रेशियोज गिवन, उनको रेशियो बोलते हैं. जब भी आप ये 2 डॉट्स ऑब्जर्व करते हो ना, इट मींस रेशियो. सो 2 + 3 + 4 यू विल गेट 9. नाउ एंगल 1. एंगल 1 में फर्स्ट रेशियो आपकी क्या है? 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 180. बस दैट्स इट. डू द कैंसलेशन एंड यू विल गेट 40 डिग्री. सिमिलरली एंगल 2, this is angle 2 means this is second number 3 by this 9 multiplied by 180 degree. So 9 ones are 9, 20s are 60 degree. And we will apply this method only if the ratios are given. ये method होता है particular ratio को solve करने के लिए. Fine?
थैंक यू मैम.
और why we are multiplying here with 180 degree और किसी नंबर से क्यों नहीं किया? You know?
मैम बिकॉज ट्रायंगल होती है 180 डिग्री का.
यस, क्योंकि इन